Today, we introduce the world's first small diffusion model. In the last 7 months, we have witnessed a tectonic shift from autoregressive to diffusion models. Diffusion transformers have been universally adopted as the backbone for almost any generative tasks. Traditionally, all foundation models such as GPTs, DeepSeeks, Claudes, Minimaxes are required to make models bigger, especially the parameters, to achieve performance of industrial level or push the very physical limit of AI. Today, we rewrite this algorithm. We have destroyed scaling law and redefined small foundation model for you. In these several months, Lens AI has reinvented Diffusion Transformer. It's a grand new re-architect. We also created an architecture level super regularization, redesigned module improvement for extensive expressiveness, along with a simultaneous during training redirection reinforcement learning technology to facilitate a lossless model compression. Where in our scenario, we have managed to achieve 20 times and more parameters and G-flops reduction from 675 millions parameters to only 32.9 millions without any sacrifice in performance. I'm excited to introduce you Dissolvable Diffusion Transformer, the world's first small foundation model equivalent of large foundation model for every single generative purpose, including multimodal DLLM, robotics foundation model, agent AI, and also image, video, music, or 3D generation, and even world model engine like Google's Genie 3. Please note our greatest innovation. It's an end-to-end from scratch model where training and inference are both 20 times cost less. In order to visualize you a greater estimation, our technology is a pure architectural breakthrough, excluding pre-training, post-training, or any training strategies or tricks such as model or dataset distillation, FP4 or 8 lower floating point precisions, or multi-latent attention, mixture of experts of which modules to optimize only the inference stage, which means, most importantly, we are presenting a drop-in replacement model for every single AI solution. Today, from this moment on, our dissolvable diffusion transformer unveils you the next-gen AI landscape and economics towards physical AI and nationwide AI era. Now, please watch our live evaluation demo on ImageNet 256 benchmark on which DIT is originally conducted. Noted that we show our training progress on the top left panel, where we will be using our latest checkpoint after 850K steps, and as you can witness from the bottom left panel, detailed with its file size of 631.8 megabytes. We will be generating 50K samples, same as all diffusion models, for evaluation against the public reference batch for ImageNet 256, where the folder will be real-life created and filled on the right top panel, from which you see our previously generated sample statistics at different steps. We are conducting evaluations on the benchmark on our training machine that runs on one single RTX 4090, as detailed by the NVIDIA SME command log. Now we run this command of generation, making sure it's using the exact same checkpoint file as you can see the file size again, assuring its native output without CFG guidance, and you are able to see our model parameters of 32.96 millions only. With one single RTX 4090, the generation time of 50,000 DIE equivalent realistic images at 256 by 256 resolution is only about 2 hours and 3 minutes, even with Linux GUI consuming fraction of the GPU memory. Now, due to timing issue, we will accelerate the video by 50 times faster. And finally, we conducted the evaluation, where we used our generated sample statistics against the reference batch, and our DDT's FID performance is 9.13, which is 0.49 better than the original DIE trained for 7 million steps at 9.62. The benchmark serves as the fundamental evaluator of diffusion models' universal generalization and performance, and applies to all diffusion fields. Thus, we see image generator like OpenAI's DALL-E, Stable Diffusions, and their world-shaking realistic video generator Sora, Suno AI's music generator, and even now from this March, language modeling such as Lambda, Google's Gemini Diffusion LLM 2.0, and etc. And now NVIDIA officially claimed DIT as the foundational backbone for their Groot N1 robotics project, where diffusion becomes the industrial baseline and future of all embodied AI. Unlike Tesla's Optimus, Unitree, Skyled AI, Field AI, or physical intelligence, we are enabling offline-operated robots without reliance on internet connectivity. An actual robotics revolution as small models enables human-like complex behaviors or tasking due to low latency and high responsiveness to conduct on extreme conditions, such as surgeries that restrains organs or tissue in air exposure time, or emergent rescues in mountains or firing buildings. Lens AI is pioneering in foundation model renovation, and our technology is transforming AIs from billions dollars one-time training worth to only $300K. As DeepSeek have reduced OpenAI's and Anthropic's typical training cost of $1.2 billion to $6 million, we can replicate and even produce a better product that's DDT-based to only $300,000. A price of only one Bentley, enabling more affordability to personalized and private equity AI purposes for almost every single one and firms of all sizes on this planet. We look forward to partnerships from global investors and venture capitals. We appreciate your time and welcome you to join us our journey. Thank you very much for today.